backlinks get you rankings. And all of these stuff that you're looking at here right now are results from websites in all of these different niches, from realtors to landscapers to dentists that built backlinks. And I want to go over these one by one, that built backlinks and saw a clear increase in their organic traffic as they were building out the backlinks. And so I want to go over all of these case studies one by one on how and why backlinks improved their search traffic, also the type of links these guys are building and how you build them one by one, and also give you access to a full 30-minute tutorial on how to build these backlinks step by step. But before I do any of this, I want to take you on a ride to explain to you how important this is. Because if you're doing SEO, that stands for search engine optimization. If you're on this channel, you most likely know what it is, but essentially it is the art of ranking a site higher on search engines and getting that search traffic. Now, there's three main pillars to SEO. There's on-page SEO, which is what's on the site, on page, so what you build on a site, what you write, how you write it, the optimizations you do on the site, right? The keyword placements, all that. Then there's technical SEO, which is more or less the boring stuff, schema markup, meta tags, site speed, all that, which is as important, right? Because, for example, for technical SEO, you can have a site ranking #1 for the most profitable keyword, but if your site is super slow, people just hop off it and click the second result, right? So it becomes pointless to rank first because your site takes a long time to load. That's just a small example on how important technical SEO is. And so we have on-page SEO, technical SEO, and then we have off-page SEO. Everything that happens off the site, right? In this case, backlinks. And if you don't know what a backlink is, essentially a backlink is a link, right, from another website, all these websites linking to your site, making your site go up in rankings, because Google sees, why are all these authoritative sources linking to this site? Surely this site must be talking about something that makes sense and that's available to the users, so let's try and rank it higher on Google, okay? Now, of course, backlinks aren't magic, because yes, even though it gives you a rank boost, the actual content on your site needs to be valuable, because if people click your site, it takes a long time to load, the information on there isn't really valuable, people just go off and click the second one. So that's why these three pillars need to work in tandem. On-page SEO, so what's written on your page, technical SEO, how fast is the site, and much more boring stuff, and off-page SEO, the links you're building, how you build them, what type of links you build, the anchor text, all that. Super, super important. Now, if you want a detailed course, a 2-hour SEO course, I'll leave a link down below in the description for my most valuable free SEO course, okay? It's 2 hours long. I have also a 5-hour long one, so you can watch that if you want, okay? Again, I'll leave it in the description. Now, again, I want to go over these case studies right here. Now, the very first one was and is for a realtor in an expensive cottage area. Now, as you can see here, the graph in the upper part is their organic traffic graph, okay? And in the bottom corner, is the number of organic keywords they rank for. As you can see, they were growing here, growing. Eventually, they started climbing or going down. And so here, we started link building, right? 3 to 4 links per month, mostly guest posts. And I'll go over what a guest post is. Don't worry about it right now, right? Started link building around 3 to 4 links per month, right? I mean, the results are clear, right? The traffic just went up and up because, of course, more organic keyword rankings went up and up, right? So the number of keyword rankings went up, so did the traffic. Now, there's never a one-to-one correlation here, okay? Because it doesn't really matter the number of keywords, right? It matters most the traffic of each keyword, but there's some correlation here, right? Here's another one, a landscaper, right? These guys started building links right here, right? 4 guest posts, 1 each net, it's spread across 4 weeks, so more or less a month too. And I mean, the results are clear. Like it is almost a vertical jump in organic traffic just off of link building, okay? I mean, when I say just off of link building, keep in mind that they have their on-page and technical SEO very well handled, right? Here's another one, right? This is for a skincare company, skincare and clothing company in California, right? This was a more elaborate link building thing right here, but again, link building still was done, right? The brand was just starting off, right? Going off the ground, then link building starts. Keep on link building, and then again, the traffic just went up and up. And again, I don't need to go all over these ones to show that link building actually works. I mean, you can pause the screen and see like all these are actual live case studies that work, right? They're pretty detailed because I want to make sure that this actually shows you what it's being done behind the scenes, right? But these work, right? All these keywords went up, all these based on links. So my point here is that you should be doing link building, right? If you're doing SEO, you should not just be focusing on page and technical SEO. You should also need to focus on off page link building. It's very, very important, right? Don't do what people say that, oh yeah, but if you build great content, backlinks will naturally be built to you. Yes, but it's not enough, right? You need to be actively doing outreach to build backlinks for you. And so before I show you how to do that, let me just show you what type of backlinks are being built to give people these results. Now, mainly two types of backlinks: guest posts and niche edits. So a guest post is a link placed on a new post. Okay, so let's say this is a post posted today, right, on a website, right? It is a post about journalist AI and has a link right here. This is the anchor text, right, pointing to our site, right? This is a guest post, so a link placed on a new post. We reached out to this site saying, listen, can you write a post about our tool? We do XYZ. We think it would be a very great post to be featured on your site. Can you do it? And they write the post, place it there with a link to your site. That's a guest post, a link placed on a new post. So a not indexed post, the post doesn't rank, the post doesn't have any traffic, okay? That's what a guest post is. Also, we have niche edits, or also called link insertions. And these are links placed on existing posts, right? So let's say this post was written a year ago, right? We reach out to the site and say, listen, I saw you have this post written a year ago. I feel like we should freshen it up, add a bit more content, and also link out to journalist AI, right? You go out to get in touch with them, and they do it, and they add a link on an existing post that's already ranking, maybe has some traffic to your site. So the main difference, again, is a guest post is a link placed on a new post. A niche edit is a link placed on the existing post. Now, people often argue which one's the best. I like to do a healthy mix of both. As you see here, most of these were of a healthy mix of both niche edits and guest posts. Niche edits tend to be good when you want that quick boost, right? Because the posts are already indexed. Some of them already have traffic, right? Guest posts tend to be better when you want a more slow and steady up the rankings. But again, ideally, you'd use both in tandem. Now, how do you actually build these links? Because this is very important, right? How do you actually build them? Now, again, there's going to be links in the description for all this, in specific this video right here, which is a 30-minute video on how to build these links step by step by step. Nothing hidden, okay? Literally the step-by-step tutorial on how to build links that did these results. So again, I don't hide anything, but here's a quick rundown on how to do it. So first things first, you have to choose the URL on your site you want links for, right? So let's say I want to link to the homepage. Go here, copy this, right? That's the URL I want to link out to. Now then, you want to choose the anchor text. So the anchor text, again, is the little text you click to go to your site. Now this can be branded, this could be exact match anchors, this could be long tail versions of your keywords, could be a bunch of stuff. Again, if you want more in-depth training on that, just watch this video right here, okay? So now you have your URL, right? You have your anchor. Now it's time to find relevant sites with great metrics we want links from. So again, you have all of these sites, right, that are amazing out there on the internet, right? They have amazing metrics, they're niche relevant, so you gotta find them to have them link back to your site. How do you find them, right? It's a tedious process that takes a long time, not because there's a lot of sites, but because finding relevant sites, so sites that are niche relevant, because if your site is about dogs, right, you want to ideally find a site that links back to you that's also about animals or dogs. So if your site is about dogs, you don't necessarily want the link from a site about motorcycles. That's a non-relevant link. Okay, so the ideal link is one that's both relevant as well as powerful. Okay, and by powerful I mean with great metrics. The main metrics you should be focusing on would be domain rating according to Ahrefs, okay, and traffic. Now keep in mind that these metrics from Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moz, all these tools, these are made-up metrics, right? They have some correlation with reality, but a high DR or a high DA, whatever, doesn't necessarily mean that the site is high quality, because these metrics can easily be manipulated. Okay, so do take that into account. Now, one metric that is a bit harder to manipulate is traffic. It can also 1000% be manipulated, right? But it's a bit harder. The one you should focus on as well, of course, is traffic. Now, again, if you want a bit more in depth, on how to find these sites, on how to see if these are or not real or not, go watch the video. I'll link down below. Okay. Then, after you have your URL, after you have the anchor text, after you found relevant sites, right, it's time to reach out to them because you don't even know if they accept guest posts or niche edits. So you email the site owner asking if they accept payment for backlinks. And I mean, people say, yeah, you shouldn't pay for backlinks. I mean, the reality is that you will need to pay for backlinks. And there's ethical ways to do that. And there's safe ways to do and create a link building strategy that you pay for. Because nowadays, you pay for everything, right? It's hard to have organic links built to you, right? It is possible, right? We have a lot of links built to Journalist AI without us paying for them because we've built a great tool people like and do people also link to us. But for more powerful links, if you're competing in a high competitive industry, it is important that you have a proper link building strategy, which turns out you have to pay for, okay? So you ask them if they accept payment, right? And of course, you have to go back and forth and ask for their processes, their standards, right? And how much they charge, right? There's a lot of back and forth here with these site owners. Again, I go over, I think, the email scripts on this video, or if not, I'll leave a link for the other one when I do that. Then you wait for confirmation, you payment, and you wait for it to be live. That's essentially it. Again, for a more in-depth version, just watch this video. And this, again, is what backlinks are capable of doing. This stuff right here, higher rankings, like clockwork. I mean, you can pause the video here if you want. I can zoom in on more of these. This is just a month's work right here. I mean, the keywords, high buying intent keywords, not just some random keywords without any search volume or no buying intent. Because you can rank for a keyword with 1 billion searches per month, but if nobody searching for that keyword is actually looking to buy something, it's quite pointless. So you need to rank for high buying intent keywords, which of course these ones are, because product for sale. So someone looking for a product for sale is looking to buy something, a high buying intent keyword. This one with high volume, and the traffic here doesn't really matter because, again, you'd much rather have a keyword with 10 monthly searches with high buying intent than a keyword with 1 billion monthly searches but nobody's searching for it who's actually buying something. Okay, again, if you want more in-depth training on these concepts, I'll make sure to leave links down below in the description for that. But again, these links work, right? Again, why they're important is because SEO mainly, and SEO needs to be focusing on 3 main pillars. On-page SEO, so what you write on the site, how you write it. Technical SEO, schema markup, meta tags, site speed, and of course, off-page SEO, link building. You cannot succeed in SEO just with one or just with 2. You have to do all 3. Very important. And again, these are the type of backlinks we're building. These are the most powerful backlinks you can build. There's also PR and stuff, but these, from what I've been doing for almost 10 years of SEO, these are the ones that work best, the more effective ones that can bring you results, like the ones you see here, okay? And of course, this is how you build them. Now, regarding these 3 pillars, Journalist AI helps you with the first one, right? We build and we create content for you, properly optimized with images, videos, and a bunch more stuff, right? And we've just now released in beta this new link building feature. You can go to this page, I'll leave a link down below in the description, which is basically we build out these exact links for you. So the links you see here, the results you see here, of course I cannot guarantee because, I mean, different websites need more links, different industries are a bit harder, but for these industries, right, for realtors, for landscapers, for skincare brands, for a lot of these like brands in every single niche, backlinks work. So surely they should work for you as well. And what we do is we build out links for you. We have 3 packages, 3 links, 5 links, and 10 links, right? And we go out and actually build these exact same links that gave people these results. These 2 type of backlinks, guest posts and niche ads, we actually go out, look at your site, look at your niche, and go out and outreach actual real websites and see, okay, where can we actually place links on these real websites and link back to your site and try to get results like the ones we got for these people, because the people got these results are the exact same people that we're building these links for, okay? So if you work for them, it should work for you. So yeah, that's the video. Again, you don't need to buy these links, by the way. You can if you want, but you can do it for free yourself. Just watch this video and I go over exactly how to do it. It's like a 30-minute process. It does take time, but if you don't have the money or if you prefer to do it yourself, you can. I always like to give people 2 options. The option of paying someone to do it for you, someone that knows how to do it, that has done it a lot of times in the past, that has achieved these results. But also on the other hand, I like to give people the ability to do it themselves. So if you want, just watch this tutorial and that's it. Now, if you watch this far and you want to give it a go, just DM me, not DM me actually, just go to this page, click this little chat bubble right here, sorry, and say, hey, I came from this video, I watched this video on a coupon code. And I'll give you a coupon code for these services for these backlink services, sorry, so we don't have to pay the full price. So yeah, that's it. That's the video. Hopefully you'll get some because the results are insane. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.